Hello students, in this video we are doing exercise 5.3 and question 4. In this question, how many terms of AP we are given the sequence 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give the sum 636. कितनी terms की जरूरत है so that we may get the sum 366. So we can select A from here. A is 9. B you can calculate 17 minus 9, that will give you 8 here. और sum का formula apply करो. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Just put the value. Sn की value है हमारे पास 636. And we have to calculate how many terms. And we have to calculate 2 into a 9, n minus 1, b is your 8. Cross multiply करो, you will get 1, 2, 7, 2 is equal to n, 2 9s are 18 plus 8n minus 8. Bracket को simplify करो, n 18 minus 8 will give you 10 plus 8n and 1 to 7 2 on the left hand side. Now we open the bracket और तुम इसमें quadratic equation मिलेगी that you have to solve them by splitting middle term. 1 2 7 2 is equal to 10n plus 8n square. Take this term to right hand side, you will get 8n square. 0 is equal to 8n square plus 10n minus 1 to 7 2. अब ये तीनों टर्म्स हैं they are divisible by 2. 2 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं तो you can write 4n square 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. 0 को डिवाइड करोगे you will get 0. इसको डिवाइड किया 2. 4n square इसको डिवाइड करोगे 5n minus 636. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. इनके मिडल टर्म स्प्लिट करो. 636 के फैक्टर्स बनाओ और 4 के फैक्टर्स बनाओ. 4 के फैक्टर्स विल गेट 2 and 2 और इसके फैक्टर्स हमारे पास आ जाएंगे 3 1 8. अगेन इट विल गो ऑन टू 1 5 9. इट विल गो ऑन 3 53. सॉरी यहाँ पर 4 के फैक्टर्स बनाने हमने और 2 2 आ जाएंगे हमारे पास. अब हमारे पास जो फैक्टर्स आ रहे हैं उनको चेक करो. ये फैक्टर्स आ गए 2 2 2 2 3 एंड 53 और हमें मिडल में 5 चाहिए प्लस 5. सो वी कैन कंबाइन दीज टर्म्स 48 एंड 53 प्लस 53 माइनस 48 विल गिव यू प्लस 5. सो इट विल बी 4n स्क्वायर प्लस 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. Take common from these two terms and these two terms. N common you are getting from these two. 4n plus 53 is left inside the bracket. Then you take minus 42. 12. यहाँ पे 4n plus 53 left in the bracket. 4n plus 53 common in both the bracket. You can take it out. Inside the bracket n minus 12 is left. So 4n plus 53 equal to 0 और n minus 12 equal to 0. यहाँ से n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी minus 53 upon 4 और n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 12. So this you can reject. इसको रिजेक्ट कर सकते हो क्योंकि n नेचुरल नंबर होता है. Number of terms cannot be negative as well as fraction also. They cannot be in fraction. n is equal to 12 होगा. तो 12 number of terms होंगी. They will give the sum 636. This is question 5. In question 5, we are given the first term of AP, that is A. A we are given 5, and the last term is 45. Last term you can write A, N, or you can write L also. This is given 45. And you are given S and sum of n term is 400 you are given. You have to find the number of terms and the common difference. We can apply that formula of sum n by 2 a plus an. This is also one more formula of sum for finding sum of AP n terms. n by 2 a plus an, or you can write L also, first term plus last term. Just substitute the values. 400, n by 2, a is your 5, an is 45. So from here you will get n by 2 into 50. By this 2 you can cancel, you will get 25, और n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 400 upon 25. So यहाँ से you cancel these two terms, you will get 16. So n हमारे पास 16 आ गया. And then you have to calculate d also, common difference calculate करना है तुमने. हम an का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर लेते हैं. हमें n की वैल्यू पता लगी और an की वैल्यू भी पता है हमें. So an can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d and is equal to 45. ये लास्ट टाइम हमें 45 गिवन है. an की वैल्यू, a की वैल्यू पुट करो. a is 5 plus n की वैल्यू we have got 16 minus 1, d is equal to 45, and take this 5 to other side, you will get 15. d is equal to 45 minus 5, और d आ जाएगा 40 upon 15. Both can be cancelled by 5, so 8 by 3 you will get. 5 से cancel करके this common difference will be 8 by 3. And in next question, 6th question, again you are given the first term. You are given first term and the last term of AP. First term will write a. First term you are given 17. The last term is 350. So L is 350. And you are given the common difference also. D is also given. Now, how many terms are there and what is their sum? तुमने total number of terms calculate करनी है और sum भी calculate करना है. Last term means you can take it as an. जब भी n कैलकुलेट करना होता है, we apply this general formula of an. an is a plus n minus 1 into d. और इसको you can keep it equal to 350. Substitute the values. a की वैल्यू 17 आ गई, n minus 1, और d we are given 9 is equal to 350. Take this 17 to other side. n minus 1 into 9 will be equal to 350 minus 17. This will give you 3 here and 3 here. So n minus 1 will be into 9 is equal to 333, और n minus 1 की वैल्यू यहाँ से आ जाएगी 333 by 9. इसको कैंसिल करो 3 से. 3 3s are 1 1 1. Again by 3 you will get 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. So n की वैल्यू यहाँ से आ जाएगी 37 plus 1 will be 38. So n is 38. How many terms are there? That is 38. Now we have to calculate the sum. Sn is equal to n by 2. We can apply this formula, a plus last term. N is 38 upon 2. A is your 17 और L last term is your 350. ये 19 आ गया यहाँ पर. 19 into 7 6 3, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. You will get 6973 as answer. So in 7th question, again you have to find the sum of 22 terms. You are given the value of D and you are given the 22nd term of AP, that is 149. तो हमें ये term given है 22nd term, तो A22 is given 149. इसका फॉर्मूला लगाओ. an का फॉर्मूला लगेगा इसमें, a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n we'll write 22, so we'll get a plus 21d. n की जगह 22 रखोगे, 22 minus 1 will give you 21, और ये हमारे पास keep it equal to 149. अब यहाँ से d की वैल्यू 7 पुट करो. a plus 21 into 7. d is given 7 here. 149 और a की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 149 minus 147, it will give you 2. Now you can apply the formula of sum. You have to get the sum of 22 terms. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So means S22 we have to calculate. So we'll write 22 by 2. 2 a की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ रही है 2 plus n 21 minus 22 minus 1 और d हमारे पास आ रहा है 7. Calculations करो इसके. You will get 11 here. 4 plus 21 into 7. 11 into 4 plus 7, 147. 11 into इसको ऐड करोगे 151 और 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करो 55 plus 156. 5, 11 plus 5, 1661 is the sum of 22 terms. This will be the answer. And in next question, 8th question, again you are given, you have to find the sum of 51 terms of AP. You are given the second term. A2 you are given 14. A2 you can write as A plus 2 minus 1, 1D is equal to 14. Give it number 1. हमें दो इक्वेशंस गिवन है यहाँ पर, एक 14 सेकेंड टर्म गिवन है और एक थर्ड टर्म गिवन है. सो थर्ड टर्म वी आर गिवन इक्वल टू 18. सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज a plus 2d is equal to 18. So like linear equations, we can solve these two equations for getting the value of a and b. इसको subtract करो, minus minus minus, this will be cancelled. Minus 2 plus 1 will give you minus 1d. और यहाँ 18 minus 18 plus 14 will give you minus 4. तो d की वैल्यू 4 आ जाएगी यहाँ से. और 1 से a की वैल्यू निकालो, from 1 a plus 4 is equal to 14. a की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 14 minus 4, it will be equal to 10. a 10 आ गया हमारे पास. Now you have to get the sum of 51 terms. S51. You can apply this formula now. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because we are not given the last term, इसमें 51 term, 51st term की वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं आ रही है. But we have got the values of a, we have got the values of b, and n is also given. N is given 51. तो यहाँ पर वैल्यू डालो 51 upon 2. 2 in place of a you can write 10. In place of n you can write 51 minus 1, or in place of d you can write 4. इसको simplify करो. 51 by 2, 20 plus 50 into 4, 200. You will get 51 into 220 upon 2, 110. Cancel हो गया. 0, 11 1s are 11. 11 5s are 55 plus 1 56. 5610 is the